How to swap USDT to Ton in Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Then on the home page, tap on the swap option. Once you do this, you will be landed on the swap page in your Tonkeeper Wallet application. Now over here, if you tap on the top left hand corner of the screen, you will be landed on the slippage tolerance page. So if you have no idea about slippage, then I would recommend you to do not change any of the settings over here, but you can keep it as 0.5%, which is ideal. Then in the send option, you need to simply tap on the drop down menu, and from here you need to select USDT. Afterwards, in the receive section, you need to tap on the drop down menu and you need to search for Ton. But as you can see over here that when I have selected USDT in the send section, it is not letting me select Ton in the receive section. So what you need to do is you need to simply tap on the send section, and over here you just have to select Ton. Now after selecting Ton, in the receive section you need to select USDT. Once you do this, you just have to simply tap on this cross button so that USDT could go up and could go in the receive section. Now you need to type the amount of Ton that you want to convert into USDT. After that, you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom and initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to swap from USDT to Ton in Tonkeeper Wallet successfully. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.